Hi everyone. This is my first video and myself Naman. So in this video I will discuss the most 7 effective ways by which you can grow your business with the help of digital marketing. Okay. So first let us know what is digital marketing. Okay. Digital marketing is a process in which we understand customers' need, want and demand and put our efforts to satisfy them. And Okay, this is what the brief description about digital marketing. Now let us move on to the points where we will discuss the 7 most effective ways to grow your business. Okay, so first thing, you need to create a fit and fine social media presence. So in today's world, the social media is in very much booming a lot, and you need to take advantage of it. Your most of the potential customers are on social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You should be active, engaging and attractive on these platforms. You should regularly post content about your business and all. From there you will get a lot of customers. Okay, now let's move on to the next point. That is, you need to have a local listing on your Google search engine. So if someone search nowadays, many of them searches on Google that best restaurants near me. So your business should come at the top results. So that can be done by listing your business and optimizing it on a local listing. Okay, so next the third point is having a beautiful website which will drive leads to your business. Okay, having a website is a must in today's world. And for online presence you need to build a beautiful website. You can build it from any digital marketing firm or any software developer. Okay, so next is building powerful content that builds capital in your business. What does this mean? You need to build a powerful content to your customer which is more engaging and attractive. Okay, so building a content will give much information about your business and your product or service to the customer, which builds a trust between you and your customer, and that will give you more leads. Okay, so next is maintaining and nurturing email list. Okay, so what is an email? Email is something where you can send any information or update of your product or your business to your customer, and from there they will read your email and come to a landing page or somewhere. Okay, you can collect these from your website, your landing pages or your social handles, etc. And these are very much helpful for building a great customer relationship. Next is running a small ads. Okay, now I'm not telling you to invest the 10,000 20,000 rupees in running an ad. Just try for 400 500 rupees a day. Just okay, so you will understand what your customer likes and what are their dislikes, and through that you can also build a strong network on your social handles. Okay, and the last final point is that you should be adaptive to the technology. Now you have to update yourself regarding social media and your business, what your business is providing to the customer. You should update it on every platforms and all, and you need to know which updates are coming, which new social platform is arriving, which platform has many features and all. Okay, so you can be much engaging. And in conclusion, I want to say that don't say just start doing. See, I was not knowing that this will be my first video. I have started this. You should start building an online presence on internet, because internet is on very booming, and in future it will grow too much. I will tell you one stats that now at 2020 the digital marketing market size is nearly $350 billion, but in next 5 years it will be $800 billion, nearly $800 billion. So it is a huge market cap. You should build your online presence and grab this opportunity. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening me. Like, share and subscribe please.